Hello, I'm going to show how to change the Unreal Engine logo in the shooter game using GIMP. I'm using Unreal Engine version 4.22.0. This is what the original logos look like. Export the Unreal Engine texture file. It's going to be exported as a .tga file. I'm using GIMP version 2.10.12. Open the Unreal Engine texture file in GIMP. I'm going to replace the Unreal Engine logo with my own logo. On this word Unreal on the top, the letter spacing has to be the same for it to work because they pull these letters out and make a vertical logo. The other words, the letter spacing doesn't have to be exactly the same, but the overall size of the word should be about the same. Go to Colors, Components, Decompose. This creates a new file with red, green, and blue layers. I made a temporary copy of the layer so I could see how it fits. As you can see, it doesn't fit, so you can try to change the kerning. It looks like 39 is a good fit. This is what the layers look like when you're done. To combine the three layers into one file, go to Colors, Components, Compose. Export as a TGA file. Now you re-import it with new file. And that will change all the logos. Here's what the new logos look like. if you look at the vertical logo, you can see that the K is flipped. Before, when the word Unreal was in this position, there was an A in the position of the K, and if you flip an A, it's going to look the same. So I think it was doing this all along. You just couldn't see it when there was an A in that position of the K. So anyway, I'm not going to fix this. I'm not sure why they're flipping that one letter.